Now, the next thing that you can do to really grow your channel is to piggyback your own videos. Now, I know I just showed you how you can potentially piggyback other top channels and piggyback their videos and steal their views and subscribers. It's also important to try to piggyback your own videos so that YouTube suggests your videos whenever people are watching your videos, all right? This can prevent others from stealing your views and subscribers. Now, here's the best way to do it. Let's say you've uploaded your first video. Well, when you upload your second video, you should create a card and an end screen on that video, sending people to the first video, and create a card on your first video going to your second video. This literally takes, seconds to do. You should also tell people in the description of your video and in the comments about the other videos. All right, remember, YouTube wants to suggest to viewers what they are likely to watch over and over again. Well, by forwarding people back and forth between the videos, you can essentially manipulate the algorithm because YouTube's going to assume that so many people that watch one of your videos watch the other. So they're going to be very likely to suggest those videos. All right, now this doesn't always guarantee that you're going to be the first video suggested, but the more videos you create, the better chance you have of being suggested on your own videos. So look at this example. As you can see, not all the videos here suggested are mine, but the majority of them are. This makes it very easy to snowball your views and get more subscribers to your channel.